This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and space so recording won't stop. Plug in or charge if under 30%. Once ready, open the recorder app and choose mono or stereo depending on source. Stereo captures 2 channels for richer sound. Make sure the sample rate is 44. 1 kHz for general use. Next, pick or create a folder and name the file with a date/time stamp to stay organized. Finally, tap record and watch levels for strong but unclipped peaks. Once recording, monitor the level meters closely. You want peaks around -12 to -6 decibels to preserve headroom and avoid clipping. If the source is quiet, increase mic gain or switch to an external mic input. Make sure phantom power is enabled for condenser mics. Use directional mic positioning to reduce room noise. Also, mute notifications and consider airplane mode so incoming calls don't interrupt your file. If you must pause, use the app's pause function rather than stopping completely. You finish by stopping and saving the file, then immediately play a 10 to 20 second sample to confirm integrity. Once satisfied, export as WAV for editing or 320 kbps MP3 for sharing. Add metadata like title and tags before backing up to cloud storage. If your final file is distorted, reduce input gain and re-record. If audio is missing, check microphone permission settings and cable connections. One key tip: always record a quick test clip before important sessions to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.